Hola, hola, guys. Hope you guys doing good. It's me, Wasim, and I just came for my walk. I just wanted to do my cardio because I just couldn't do cardio today because I had work, and that thing. Leave that. Currently, I will say you what I'm going to do right now. I'll just say you. Now I am at Faiha Park. This is called Faiha Park, and I'm here. And you know one thing, I was walking like 2-3 rounds I walked. But I had like some feelings like can I walk like opposite direction? It's something interesting like I wanted to do. I didn't even try once in my life. I just wanted to do. And I will show you which is my starting point and which is my ending point, okay? You see this thing? This thing? This is my starting point, okay? Now I am starting my now I am currently starting. Let's turn back, guys. Okay, now let's walk back. And you know one thing, walking back, I don't know if anyone do this kind of things and all, but I wanted to do. Like I was thinking like maybe like in one lifetime like you should try, right? And this park is so big. I don't know I can finish. And you know one thing, so I thought like why not? I can talk to you guys also. I didn't even talk to you guys. So guys, you know one thing, really man, I feel so proud because I got 9 subscribers, bro. I didn't even imagine like I will get some 9 subscribers or something in YouTube, man. In my lifetime I didn't even like think of posting in YouTube, but unfortunately I started posting because I was a person who was very insecure of like posting my photos when I started getting fat. When I became 105 kilos, right? I was like very depressed. Like if in family photos, I don't like to post, go and take pictures. And when I goes to like places with friends, memories, like when they are capturing memories, right? I'm not taking that because you know why? Because I am fat. What people will think. And unfortunately when I joined gym, right, my that insecurity just vanished. I don't know how in one day I was not a person who likes to post, who likes to take video or something. But yeah, right, I don't know from where I got this kind of thing like doing content or something. But yeah, and you know one thing, I don't know, hope you guys can also do like this. I was thinking like how much time can I take also? You guys also see, I'm just walking behind. See, I'm just walking. I'll show you. Okay, see, okay. I'm just walking like this. I'm walking behind. I don't know why, man, but like when I started walking, right, I just thought like, why can't I walk behind? I'm not seeing anything behind, but like I'm walking. You should try whatever things you feel scared, right? Like you can't do or something. Just try that, bro. It's like your life, man. You only have one life, and try to do only good things in this one life, because next life in up, guys. That you should be good. What all things you do good, you get good. And you know one thing, whenever we walk, right? You know what? With help of this thing, I'm walking. You see this thing, and this is my this thing. Or else, you know what? I will get injured. And you know what? I doesn't like to speak in English because like my English is also weak. Most of my friends make fun of me speaking in English. Currently, I'm talking to you in English because you know what? I don't understand, bro. Because I know to speak Malayalam. I know to speak Hindi very well. मेरे को हिंदी बहुत अच्छा आते, मलयालम भी बहुत अच्छा आते. But you know what I feel scared, right? Now I am doing that because like why not? You know what all things I will get better when I start posting, or like whenever I do something, right? What all motivations I get, right? Speaking to you guys in English will make my English better. That's one point. Okay, posting and showing you guys, half of the people get motivated like how I am doing. You guys can also do. And you know what, you should try everything which is like stopping you. See, I can't see back, bro, but I'm walking because I from nowhere I'm like, I just felt like, can I walk or not? Okay, let's try that, bro. And you know one thing, when I started posting, right? I'll just say you the story from where I got the posting and like in Instagram when I started posting or something. There was a time, January or something, when I checked I just wanted to check like if my body health is good or something, because I am 105, and in 105 maybe I feel like stomach pain, gas problems, that this and all. So I thought, why not go and get a blood report or something and check my health condition. And I started. I went, I gave that blood report, everything. Next day report came. Unfortunately, I started starting stage of fatty liver because of the overweight. And you know what, that thing made me stop whatever things I used to go chill with friends, party, everything. I just stopped because I don't want, because you know what, health is more important. And you know what, when it's time for you to take care of your family, that time before your parents getting sick, you getting sick, man, it's very bad. I wanted to be a very good supporter for my dad, my mom and all. And you know what, because of posting Instagram, right, now I am getting very bad motivations from my parents. No, it's not a motivation. They don't want, they feel like, now I am not having shame, but they are having shame, right? Because my son is removing bunion and showing he's that much fat, and he's showing. And I can't even say bad to them because they don't want someone insult me because of my fat body. But you know what, that's life, man. And you know one thing, whatever you feel to do, right, try to do. But I don't want to disobey them also. When I started my content creation 3 months ago, I was just posting reels. In that reels, right, when I posted reels, what was the bad thing I was facing? I was posting one photo or something of my body. Many people started talking bad about me and making fun of me, but I don't have any problem. But when they came to my parents and said this thing, right, they felt bad and they said me, what are you doing that, this and all. I just wanted to stop. I just stopped for them. I did 3 months and I was getting in Instagram, everything around. And I'll say you my Instagram ID also, okay? Wasi.46. I'm posting that daily content. And not in Instagram, YouTube, I'm posting something shorts, right? Shorts, which I don't know much editing, so I use the help of TikTok and all, and I'm doing. But in Instagram, right, I'm posting daily vlogs, and that's in Malayalam. And I don't know if you are Malayali or Hindi or people who knows English, but English is easy for everyone who can understand, they can understand. So see, I started posting, everything was okay. But unfortunately, after the 3 months, you know what, the 3 months was so disciplined. I weight lost around 10 kilos. January, February, March. Till March I did my workout, and diet was also okay. So I lose around 10 kgs, and yeah, and it was fun. But you know what, because of parents, because of family people, that this and all, I stopped. But you know what, after that 2 months, right, March, April, May, June, oh it's July, so till 4 months I took a break from gym after stopping the video. Then I got to understand because of the video I was working out. And while saying this thing, I feel bad, but yeah, that's the reality. But then I went to gym, I started feeling to do it again, all from starting. And it's okay, bro. And you know what, now in the car there is some people, and he may be thinking, what the fuck is this guy is doing? He's just walking behind. Everyone is walking straight and this guy is walking behind. And you know what, I don't feel any shame or something. If you want, let him walk. It's me walking, and I'm not hurting someone, I'm not doing anything. I'm just thinking of walking behind. And you know what? There is a very big thing coming behind. I know, because like every day I'm walking here, right? Not every day. From yesterday I'm walking. So what we should do? We should walk like this, and like we walk here like this. And you know one thing from that behind, I know, I know some post is also there. Once you see this thing, right? What you should do? You should come here. You should come here, and I said you like starting, right? You should follow this, so you won't get hit by the post, or else you know you will get some. And that guy, right? Imagine that car guy comes out and he will be like, see this guy, right? I was thinking what this chutia is doing, and see what happens to him when you don't see and walk, right? You will get injured because of that. So what? Take care of you also. Before I started this thing, I just take a full road map also. 2 rounds I walked, right? So I know I have like small ideas. Like, yeah, here something is there, something will be there. And you know one thing, this park is like a curve. So I feel this thing. You see here? You feel here? When you walk here, right? You see here a curve. Oh shit. You feel a curve. And you know what? Try to walk here. When you walk, right? Be closer and walk. And I don't know if there is any benefits or something when you walk behind. But like unfortunately in my mind, can we walk backside? I was just thinking, and I thought like why not? And I thought like why not I take a video and like I post. Yeah, so this is my first day walking behind. Like see, I said you, see here, you see here. 1 second, 1 second, guys, 1 second. You see where what I told you. See, there is a curve coming. So you should follow this thing when you do, because I know, or else I will be in main road filling or something, and the people will think like mad guy is walking behind. Everything is okay, guys. And you know what? The one thing you can't stop people saying, right? It's like when we are not doing anything, they wanted to say like, see, you are not doing anything, you are just wasting your life. When you do something, they say like, why this guy is doing that thing? Bro, if you guys can't do, like you guys don't do, why the hell you are coming to me and my family and like blaming? Why is he doing? You know what? Your mindset is different and mine is different. My full plan is different, bro. And hopefully I will achieve it, and I will make my parents proud, bro. For the people who is saying right now, like some people in my, I don't know who, but today me and my father had some small argument. In that someone said about me like why am I removing shirt, that this and all. But you know what? They don't know why I am doing that, because they doesn't care. They just wanted to say something. If it is good, they wanted to be bad. You know what? Bro, just understand, bro. I don't care. I just said my parents like do one thing, give his number and say him to talk to me. Because bro, see, there is only one life, and how you live, that will decide your future, bro. And I don't want to waste my future. You know what? I'm not a guy who is just posting content. I work. Alhamdulillah, I have a good work. I'm working there, and I'm doing my degree as well. I am having full-time work, mashallah, and I am having like, now I'm doing my degree. I have 1.5 years left. After that, I take time and I start posting. And I don't know editing. Now I am learning editing. I'm doing many things, bro. And you guys are not doing anything. You guys are just blaming me. And you know what? Blaming me doesn't care, bro. And you know one thing, when your child feel to do like this something, right? Then you will feel regret. Like, then you will be like, okay, मेरा बच्चा कर रहे, मसला नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा वो कर सकते है, उसका ड्रीम है. कभी किसी और का बच्चा करेगा तो तुम लोग को मसले हैं. तुम लोग को मैं नोट कर रहे, तुम लोग सब्र कर. मैं तुम लोग को नहीं बोल रहे, वो लोग को बोल रहे. अभी कैसा भी वो लोग भी देखेगा. अभी यार ये पार्क ख़त्म क्यों नहीं हो रहे? Why is this park not getting back, bro? Even cats are looking at me, man, and cats are like, why this guy is walking behind? It feels like they are watching a slow motion or something. they feel like, why is this guy walking and seeing me walking behind and like facing me? Oh shit, bro. You see this? I didn't notice this. I was going to fall on this. No problem, bro. Everything happens, bro. Small mistake, bro. First day, bro. Yeah, okay. And you know one thing, bro, starting, you know what, working out is okay, bro, but like gym, right? Gym is like gym. I'm enjoying my gym workout, everything I'm enjoying. But what I don't like, right? Not I don't like, what I feel scared, right? The diet, bro. You know what? Yesterday I did my proper diet. Before yesterday, right? I didn't say you guys. I stayed my mom, like I gave the diet plan which my uncle gave me, and he's like training for so long, he gave me a good diet plan. So my morning meal is like oats meal and like 6 eggs. In that 4 white and 2 whole egg. Okay, everything was okay. And 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, I had like to go to work. Okay, I went to the work. Everything was done. And after 7 o'clock, after meetings, everything, around 2 o'clock, I just finished everything. And you know what? The biggest mistake I did, I didn't carry any food with me. So the people who was working with me, right? They was so hungry, they didn't even eat breakfast. So they wanted to eat something. And at last, we went to mandi shop. And you know what? We had 2 mandi or something, and 3 people ate it. And my diet just broke from there. Then I came home. Then I'm seeing my mom, and like my full family was there, like my cousins, my grandmother, and all. So we thought like going out, because I was not a person who was giving much time to my parents. When it was leave for me, right, and I had like a rest day off, so I thought like, or else I would be like with friends or doing something with them, make some plan, go out, party and all. But like now, no, man. I thought, why not spend time with parents? And they was also shocked. Wasim is giving time to us. And like I went with there. What happened? Diet, right? Mandi I ate, I said to my mom. Now, at night, my parents were like, in house there is no food. So let's go out. We all are together. Like, let's go and eat. Then I ate some roti, kadai, handi. And I don't eat like 2 times from outside. But that day, morning breakfast was like full on diet. Evening, man, evening, bro, evening and night, bro. I had a very bad meal. So I just stopped. Like from yesterday, I'm doing it good. Today also, alhamdulillah, I'm doing it good. And you know what? I don't understand, bro. If I'm posting shorts, right, which will be better? I would be talking in English, Hindi, or this thing. I just wanted to do my daily vlogs, bro. Like I'm doing like mixed workout. I'm doing pull, push legs. I wanted to do that also. And you know one thing? We are near to our destination. You know what? I'm walking so much. Like around 15 minutes or 18 minutes it took me just to walk behind the park. If I'm walking like straight forward like a normal person, right, I would reach here like in 5 to 10 minutes. That's the difference, bro. But like, yeah, I'm enjoying it, bro. And you don't feel like I'm seeing behind. I just know nothing will happen to me. And if something happens also, some small injury or something, but that also minor cracks. But like, yeah. And where is that location, man? I feel like why it's not even coming closer. Oh man, let this thing come, right? And hope you like this video. Try walking behind, bro. You also try. Don't walk straight. Turn back and walk, bro. I don't understand how to say like how you can say like you're walking behind like this. Like how I am walking. I'm not walking front. I'm walking backwards and talking to you guys. That's the difference. Oh, we reached our achievement, bro. See. Oh shit! I said we reach here, and like that. Do whatever you like, man. And you know what? Because of that, you see full of sweat. And you know what? I'm liking it. And I'm not doing any bad things. I'm just focusing on my health. And you know what? I just wanted to be good, man. I just don't want to waste my life. Because of that, I did this thing. Hope you liked the video. And I don't know how much people will see this. I don't know vlog anything much, bro. I'm just posting my second video. And this is my second video. In this, try, guys. Hope you guys can also try. Try walking behind. It's fun. It's kind of fun, bro. It's like not seeing anything, you just walk behind. I just completed, bro. Like it's like very big achievement for me. I just completed that. Like first time in my life, I just walked behind. Can you guys also do? Hope you guys can also do. Everything is possible, guys. Just you guys give an excuse. No, man, it's not even possible. For us, everything is possible. If you do, maybe you will fail. But there is a chance you can do also. Just try out, guys. And peace out. Hope you guys enjoy your night. And how much people are watching this? Thanks too much. And hope you guys like my video.